Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix a banned Instagram ad account. If you created the ad account or you have been running it, but now it got banned for some of the reason, and now you just want to get it back because it has a lot of your data and it is something that you really want to get it back. So I'll show you the easiest way to fix this issue. So first you have to simply open your Instagram app and after that you will be onto its homepage. Once you are onto this homepage, at the bottom you will see we have five different options. You have to click onto the right one, which is the profile icon. Once you get into your profile, on the top right side you will see the three lines. You have to click onto these three lines. Then you will be into settings and activity. After that you have to scroll down almost to the down of the page, and there you will see this section more info and support, and you have to click this first option, which is the help. Click onto this option. Then from all these options you have to select this last one, which is support request. Then you have to select the third option, which is the violations. In violations, if your account has been banned, then it will be there, and there you will see the option for appeal along with your violation. You just have to simply click on appeal, and then it will take you to the next page where you will just have to simply appeal to Instagram so they could remove the ban from your ad account. There you can explain anything where like you're requesting them to remove the ban, and once they approve your appeal, then your account will be unbanned and you will be able to work onto it once again. So that's the only way through which you can get your banned Instagram ad account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.